Why, hello! My name is Kimberly. I'm doing this video on cell communication. Okay, the signal transduction pathways. This is an overall view of what it looks like. I'll be talking a few parts of it. First up is the signal molecules or ligands, which is right here. They're the first messenger that binds to receptor of a specific target cell. There are two different kinds of molecules. One is the hydrophilic and the other one is the hydrophobic. The hydrophilic cannot pass the phospholipid bilayer, but the hydrophobic can. The proteins, the receptor proteins, are molecules that have binding sites for the signaling molecules. And there's two different types as well. One is the membrane receptors, which is the transmembrane proteins, and the intercellular receptors, basically proteins that occur in the cytoplasm or the nucleus. As for the signaling cascade, which is right here, basically the first enzyme activates the second, and it keeps doing the same thing all the way down, and each time it goes down the line, it will keep amplifying the reactions. Next up is how cells communicate. One way is through direct contact, and there's two different types. One is gap junctions, and the other one is plasmodesmata. Gap junction is a chemical and electrical signaling between cells that allow passage for small molecules and ions to pass. Plasmodesmata is also the same, but it's only in plants, where tunnels of cytoplasm between cells that provide pathways across plasma membrane and cell walls for the movement of the molecules. Another way to communicate is synaptic signaling, which is between the junctions of nerve cells and between nerve and muscle cells. For synaptic signaling, they use neurotransmitters that go between the cells to stimulate or inhibit a nerve impulse or muscle contraction. Another cell communication method is the paracrine signaling, which is a method for local communication, and the endocrine signaling is another method which is distributing signals throughout the multicellular organisms. Since I'm running out of time, this will be the last topic I will go through. There are two different kinds of gated ion receptors. The first step is ligand-gated ion receptor. It responds to a specific ligand, and these are the following steps. First, it will receive the signal right here, and when it binds to the receptor, it will open up, allowing the ions to pass. And then it will respond right here, and afterwards, this will be removed and the gate closes. The second one is the voltage-gated ion receptors. Basically, they open and close in response to voltage difference across the membrane. And that's all the time that I have, and cheerio!